Hey, good morning, guys. It is Friday. That means it's a day to follow up. Most guys are taking Fridays easy. They're taking off early. They're leaving at 2 o'clock on Friday, or they're leaving after lunch, and they're going to call everybody on Monday morning and follow up on Monday morning. But that's, in my opinion, that's a bad idea. That's wrong. As people get into the weekend, they want to relax and unwind, and they want to check those boxes for Saturday because they don't want to be thinking about who's going to mow the grass or who's going to put in the landscaping, who's going to be doing any of those things, who's going to stain the fence, who's going to build the fence. So Friday is a perfect opportunity to stop what you're doing and do follow-ups. I call it Follow-Up Friday. My close ratio on Friday is way higher than any other day of the week, generally, when I'm following up. So my process would be as follows. Friday, I'm going to call all these people. What's going on, Ryan? I'm going to call all these people on Friday that we've given quotes to in the past 30, 60, or 90 days. And if you got the paper there or however you're doing it, call them. And when they answer the phone, or if they don't answer the phone, you're checking in. There's a whole sequence of follow-ups and things you can say depending on if it's the first call or the 20th call. But you want to follow up with them. If you left a message, write on your paper, you left a message, number one, and the date. And then if I don't make contact with the people, I immediately send them an email and a text message, pretty much summing up the same thing, saying, hey, we're checking in with the project. We'd love to get you on the schedule. And where are you in your decision-making process, or what can we do to better of this new color we've got out? Maybe it would fit your job, whatever the thing may be. But spend that time on Friday, because a lot of people were, I was with a mentor in California all last week, and he set his crews down. It's a big operation, and he had a problem with his crews, with his people, with his sales staff doing follow-ups. And the way he fixed it was basically he set everyone down in the company, and he pulled out a big stack of paperwork there, and he created a contest, if you will. He said, anybody, once a job is 30 days old, or a bid is 30 days old and it's not closed, if you've not closed it in 30 days, it now becomes fair game to anybody in the office. The lady who answers the phone, the lady who schedules the appointments, the bookkeeper, the shop foreman, it doesn't matter. If you walk in that office and you see that paper there and you pick it up and you make the call and you say, Miss Smith, this is Caleb from Stain and Seal Experts office. I noticed that Bill or George or Sam gave you a quote to stain your fence about 30 days ago. I just wanted to check in and see if there was anything we forgot, or if there's anything you could do. And if that person closes, they get half the commission, and the original estimator would get half too. And what happened, it created a company culture where everybody was following up, and as simple as that. But my mentor sat down in about an hour, he closed $300,000 worth of projects. Now, this isn't your average company that we're talking about here. This is a big outfit, so don't let those numbers discourage you. I think they should actually encourage you. But sit down and make the follow-ups. It's Friday. It's a perfect day. I'd like everybody to post at the bottom of this video what they closed and what they followed up on, and what that ratio was. If you called 10 people, did you get a close? Did you get 5 closes? Did you get 9 or 10 or 0? And give us your process, and let's work together to create a culture here of following up in sales, because sales is oxygen to your business. If you don't have oxygen, your business will suffocate. So up the sales. I don't care if you don't like sales or what. It doesn't matter. If you're a painter, if you're a stainer, fence builder, it doesn't matter. You are in sales. So make sure you guys follow up with these people today and check back in with me. Thanks.